You don't want to film with mommy? You don't want to film with mommy? You don't want to film with me? Hey guys! If you have not checked my pregnancy announcement and then my labor video, you better pause this particular video to go and check out the video on Freedom's Life YouTube channel. I will put the two videos in the description box below, and I will also put the channel in the description box below. Don't forget that I have three YouTube channels. This very one, Freedomstyles, Freedom's Life, and the Freedom Beauty. Don't forget to check out the other two YouTube channels, and which I will put in the description box below. You know now my life is no longer the same. I have a baby to cater for now, and as I am about to do this crochet now, my husband is taking a bath with baby Ezekiel, which I will try and put the video. Yeah, I will also try and show you guys the video a little bit. Baby Ezekiel loves water. Like taking a bath with baby Ezekiel is so fun. He would just be sleeping. He would daze off when taking a bath with baby Ezekiel. And I just want to, you can hear his voice now. This hair I'm about to use right now, the details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to buy the hair. People normally call it spring twist or so, but the way I did the crochet braids, I think mine is passion twist. I will call my passion twist, because if you are to do spring twist, I think you need to double, like you use 3 or 4 strands to do one braid, but mine I just use only one. This hair, the details will be in the description box below to order. You can order different colors, and then I will make sure I put the link in the description box below. Just enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later in this video. Thank you.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found. 'Cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down, celebrate this love, baby. What we found, we know this is real. Everybody's looking at me, cause you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money, yeah. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, I can take it anywhere, you know. I can take it anywhere, so call me God. They know you and me, now we about to go up, we about to go one. They know you like my family, they know you better be at this party. like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place.
You can see the hair. I don't want to have too much. I just want like not much on my head. I just want it simple. See, my cornrows very old. What I did, I just did one at the front, and then the back. I've had these cornrows more than 2 months. And then if you remember the video I uploaded when I said I'm in labor, that my husband crocheted my hair, this is the same cornrows I used in that particular video. But what I did right now, I just rebraided the front so that it will look neat. What I will do now is just to old cornrows. I can work with this. I can work with this. What matters is the front, not the back. I will just place the crochet the one like this, just so. I will just moisturize my scalp with Freedomstyles Magic Hair Growth Oil. Then I will just start to do the normal crochet.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something, yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through.
Say hi to YouTubers. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Say hi.
You have been even more than I could dream of. Every joy you've given me, I can't forget. There's no regret, we took things slow.
This is the finished look. I used only 4 packs. I twisted only 4 packs. I wanted something very simple that I will be able to style. It's very, very light, and I love the weight of this style. And I can style this hair. I can style it in many different ways. And if you want something fuller, you want something much more than this, I would advise you to go for 6 or 7 packs, to twist 6 or 7 packs. I have a lot of tutorial videos on my YouTube channel how to do crochet braids. Don't forget to also check them out. Very, very easy hairstyle, very easy to do crochet braids. I can reuse this hair. That is the reason why I ended up doing it as crochet braids, because I want to be able to reuse this hair. And if I lose it, I just go wash it and I will keep it and reuse it again, which is very nice. And if you are to buy this hair, just know that using it, you can also reuse it again. And the details of this hair will be in the description box below. You can order different colors, which all the details will be in the description box below. Don't forget that I have 3 YouTube channels. This very one, Freedomstyles, Freedom Beauty, and the Freedom's Life. Don't forget to check out my labor video on Freedom's Life YouTube channel and the pregnancy surprise video on Freedom's Life YouTube channel. I will make sure I put the 2 videos in the description box below. If you have questions regarding this hair or regarding this video, don't forget to comment in the description box below. And if you enjoyed the way I enjoyed filming this video, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up. And if you also want to see more videos of my baby on this channel, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up to this video, because maybe I will be styling his hair on this channel. Maybe, who knows? And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.